Has anyone caught this side of themselves in the mirror and been like, you have got to get back on cocaine? I am pretty new to being fat, though. I'm like 3 years in. In all fairness, I wrote that joke 2 years ago. I have started to make all sorts of weird fat noises, though. I'm not sure if you caught it, but as soon as I got up those 3 stairs, I was like... Does anybody feel like their dick confidence varies wildly? Like when my dick's hard, I'm like, what is up? But when it's soft, I wear like a t-shirt in the pool.